ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। These are the sutras we have seen so far. In fact, we have seen many sutras. Now adding some Sanya sutras and all in between. The sequence which we can write this sutra for the sake of the connection and our understanding. We will read that. Mukhanasika vachanonunasikah
मुखनासिका
मुखनासिका
वचनोनुनासिकः
वचनोनुनासिकः
vibhaktischa
विभक्तिश्च
adarsanam lopaha
अदर्शनं
लोपः
आदिरन्तेन सहेता
आदिरन्तेन
सहेता।
This is Pratyahara Sutra. The other three sutras are Sanya Sutras. The Sanyas are used in the It Prakaranam. That is why we introduced in the beginning. Mukhanasika, that is Anunasika, and Vibhakti is another Sanya. Then Lopa is Sanya. Adirantina Sagita Pratyahara Sutra. How to form Pratyahara. The next one, starting from fifth onwards, it is It Prakarana Sutras. Upadeshe Janunasika It
अनुनासिका इति
Kalantyam
हलन्त्यं
न विभक्तौ तु स्माहा
न
विभक्तौ स्मः
आदिर्निटुडवः
आदिर्निटुडवः
शः प्रत्ययस्य
प्रत्ययस्य
चुटु लशक्वतद्धिते तस्य लोपः Then the next one is, since the next sutra follows the Prakaranam, that's why that also covered. Yata sankyam anudesha samanam ukalo jasvadirga plutah achascha च परिभाषा सूत्र उच्चैरुदातः
उच्चैरुदातः
नीचैरनुदातः
नीचैरनुदातः
समाहारस्वरितः
समाहारस्वरितः
ह्रस्वं लघु
ह्रस्वं लघु
फलोऽनन्तरा संयोगः
हलोऽनन्तरः संयोगः
संयोगे गुरु
संयोगे गुरु
दीर्घं च.
दीर्घं च.
So this four sutra can be remembered together. Then this sutra can be remembered together. Uchchaihi udatah, nichchaihi udatah, samahara swaritah, and rasva dirghaputah. What are they then? Alontyat purva upadha.
Alontyat upada.
Lasya. Tiptasti. Tiptastha. Mipvasmas. Ta atam jha. Tas atam dvam. It vagi maging. Laha parasmai padam. Tangana vatmane padam. Tingas trini prathama madhyamottamaha. Tan ekavachana dvivachana bhagavachanam ekashaha. So these sutras can be remembered together. Starting from Lasya. All are connected. Actually, this is for our understanding we are making this connection. But every sutra is not every sutra, almost all the sutras. Excepting maybe few, you will find the Anyonya Ashraya. Sutra is connected to other sutra, and it is connected back to this Anyonya Ashraya. Tom will be there. Therefore, there is no krama. It is only our understanding. He organizes the sutra in this way. Then the next one is that deals with Pratipadika Sanya. Arthavadadhatura pratyayah pratipadikam. Kritadita samasascha. Nya pratipadikat. Tu aujas. Ouches. Tabhyam bis. Ngebhyam bis. Yes. Okay. Ngesibhyam bis. Nes os Ni os sup. Supaha. Because Supaha is Gita Sangya Vibhakti. Therefore, what is Supaha and all we need to know. That is why this introduction is. And Pratipadika Sangya is useful for knowing what Padam is. So that's why it is introduced in the beginning. Next one, Viramo Vasanam. Just Shasoho Shihi. Shri Sarvanamastanam. Sudanapum Sakasya.
Sudanapumsakasya.
So these three are important to know what Sarvanamastana is. Once it is known, then Suptingantam Padam,
Suptingantam padam
Swadishva Sarvanamastane.
Swadeshvarvanamastane.
sarvanamasthane
That is also Padam only. Suptingantam Padam, Su Adishu. Su Adishu means not only Supratyaya, all the Pratyaya which starts from 4, 1, 2 onwards up to the end of the 5th chapter. All this, if they are Asarvanamastana, then the Prakriti, the Pratipadikam, gets the Sanya Padam. Then exception to this, Echibam.
yachivam
This is what we are going to see, these three sutras. Suptingantam Padam, Swadishu Asarvanamastane Padam, then Echibam. So, first let us see Suptingantam Padam. And we would have seen this, we would have read this, but still you can see. Suptingantam Padam. Sup, to know this sutra, okay. What all, okay, I gave, this is what I think I gave homework. To write down all the sutras which are required to understand, to interpret the sutra. This sutra also, for this, we need to know what is sup. What is sup? Sup is a pratyahara. The content of pratyahara, su, avjya, sammochas. Therefore, those things are required. 4, 1, 2. And this, what is, how sup is formed? Pratyahara. The pratyahara sutra, adi ante sageta, that you need to know. Similarly, what is thing? Thing is, the thing pratyatip test, jisip test, mipvasmas, that sutra you should know. Again, the pratyahara sutra, then antam padam. Supting antam padam. Supratyanta shabdaha. Supratyanta shabdaha, ting pratyanta shabdaha cha padasankhikaha bhavanti. So supting antam is sup antam ting antam. You have to take like that. The antam should be connected to sup as well as to ting. Sup subantam ting antam. Anena sutrena, I'm reading from here. That is, su aujas ammorchas iti anena sutrena ekavimshati supratyaya uchyante. 21 supratyas are mentioned. Ete pratyaha pratipadikebhyaha agachanti. Comes after the pratipadikam. Yata Rama plus su is Ramaha. Ramaha is padam, Rama is pratipadikam. Tadvateva, then Tiptasti, Siptasta, Mipasmas, Anina Sutrena, Ashtadasha Ting Pratyaha Uchyante, the 18 Ting Pratyas, Ete Pratyaha Dhatubhyaha Agachanti. Here the Prakriti is Dhatu. Example, Ita As Dhatu plus Tip Pratyaya get Asti. So Dhatu As converted to Padam Asti. Ramaha Padam. Ramaha Asti. Nama Padam Kriya Padam. This is what Padam is. व्याकरणशास्त्रे अपदं न प्रयुञ्जीत इति कश्चन सिद्धान्तः अस्ति. You cannot use apadam, that which is not a padam. Shabda, the pratipadika, the crude noun base cannot be used. There is some siddhanta, conclusion. Vakye pratyekah shabdah padam eva bhavet ityartah. In the vakya, every shabda should be a padam. That is why we have the technique of pratipadikam. Shabda means word. Padam also word. Pratipadikam also is word. But there is a difference. Shabda means generally word. It could be a padam or it could be a pratipadikam. But in the language, every shabda must be a padam. Must be a padam eva bhavet. Ataha kevala pratipadikasya kevala dhatoho va vakye prayoga bhavitum na arhati. Only pratipadika or only dhatu cannot be used in the language. Pratamam tasmat padasya nirmanam krutva anantaram eva vakye prayoga karaniyaha. You have to first form the padam and then only its usage in the vakya. पदसंज्ञां स्वीकृत्य पदस्य तथा पदात् एतो अधिकारो उक्तौ स्तः. We will see in the Tripadi section. We are going to see when we see those sutras. Padasya, there is a adhikara. Padat, there is an adhikara. All these are adhikara. So there the word pada is used. So without knowing what pada is, how will you understand adhikara? Therefore, these are the sanya padesha. The sanya pada appears in these places. Any places it appears. Pada. He is giving some adhikara. Similarly, other words also, in other places also. Anyatrapi padantatva padantasya etadrisheshu sutreshu padasangyayaha prayoga kritaha drishyate. You can see the usage of the padasangya in other sutras also. This is what he says. Now, so suptingantam padam understood. The next one is suadishu asarvanamastane padam. That we will see. Su adishu. Su is a supratyaya because that is the first pratyaya in the fourth chapter. The fourth chapter starts with that pratyaya. Su, aujas, amorchas. Therefore, su. Supratyaya, first pratyaya, su. But it doesn't limit only to supratyaya. Su, adishu. Adishu stands for etc. All the pratyayas in the fourth and fifth chapter. End of the fifth chapter. So, su, adishu. Saptami vibhakti. If these pratyayas follow asarvanamasthani, if these pratyayas are asarvanamasthana pratyaya, so it is in Saptami Vibhakti. Therefore, what does it denote? It denotes that which precedes. In Sarvanamasthana, Swadishu, Pratyaya follows. Follows what? It must follow that which denotes that which precedes. That, what the sanya is, that will get the sanya padam. The padam comes as anuvritti from the previous sutra 1.4.14. This is 1.4.17. This is 1.4.17. And from Padasanya comes as one Anuruti from 1.4.14. In between, there are other two sutras which are not required at this point. Later, when we see other context, there we will see. When we see those particular this pratyaya and other different contexts, we will see this. Nagakye also padam, Stitija also padam, 14 and 15. Sorry, 16 and 14 and 15 and 16. Supting and tampadam, Nagakye, Siticha, Suadishu Asarvanavasani padam. So Padasanya is defined in these four sutras. So Nagakye is kya, that we will see kya is a pratyaya. When it follows, then it gets the sanya padam. So these two sutras in the context only we will see. That is why it is skipped now. Suptingantam padam, Nagakye padam, Stiticha padam, Suadishu Asarvanamastane padam. Now we are interested only in 1.4.17. So therefore, Suadishu Asarvanamastana pratyaya follows. Therefore, you should know what is Sarvanamastana. That is why Sarvanamastana introduced in the beginning. She Sarvanamastanam, Suranapum Sakasya, that which is not suit for other than Napumsakalinga, that is Pullinga and Srilinga. They get the Sanya Sarvanamastana. So Asarvanamastana is that which is not Sarvanamastana. For Napumsakalinga, it is only 1, 3 and 2, 3. She Sarvanamastanam. She is replaces just and shas. Just 1, 3, shas 2, 3. Since she is Sarvanamastanam and that replaces just and shas. Therefore 1, 3 and 2, 3 get the sanya Sarvanamastanam for Napumsakalinga. And when you say Asarvanamastana means accepting that. Other than that. So therefore Asarvanamastana Tane Pratyaye follows what? Follows the Prakriti, the Pratipadikam. Then the Pratipadikam get the Sanya Padam. Pratipadika get the Sanya, it gets the Sanya Padam. That is what the Sutra says. So therefore, Asarvanamastana Sanyakaha Suadi Pratyaha Yasmat Bhavati. Yasmat Bhavati means that which comes after. Pratyaya always comes after the Pratipadikam or Dhatu. So Yasmat bhavati, tasya, referring to that which precedes, that gets a sanya, pada sanya. चतुर्थ अध्यायस्य प्रथमपादेषु औजस् अस्मिन् सूत्रे सुप्रत्ययः दत्तः अस्ति. Supratyaya is given in this sutra 412. Asmat arabhya, starting from here. Pratyaya adhikarasya samapti paryantam. The ending of the pratyaya adhikara, which is the 5th chapter, last sutra, up to the end of the 5th chapter. Ye kepi pratyaha patitaha santi, those pratyas which are read, tesham sarvesham grahanam asmin sutre su adi iti anena kritam asti. So you have to bring in all the other pratyas also, which are read in the 4th and 5th chapter. So su stands for that. Su adi means su etc. Stands for all those set of pratyas, not only su pratyas. एतेषु ये प्रत्ययाः सर्वनामस्थान संज्ञकाः सन्ति तान् विहाय, एक्सेप्टिंग द सर्वनामस्थान प्रत्यय, एक्सेप्टिंग दैट अन्येषु परेषु प्रकृतेः, अन्येषु परेषु, if this pratyaya follows, then prakriteः, prakriti is that which precedes, the pratipadikam. Prakriteः means pratipadikasya वर्तमान सूत्रेण परसंज्ञा भवति, घटसंज्ञा पदम्. Okay, it's clear. I'm just reading, translating.
Yes, Chief.
If you have doubt, you can please ask. Ke pratyayah sarvanamastana sanyakaha. Already we know this. That is why the sanyas are introduced before this sutra. What are those sarvanamastana pratyaya? Because we are saying asarvanamastana, therefore we should know what sarvanamastana. Sudanapum sakasya iti anena pullingat srilingat cha shabdat vidyamanaha su aujas out. Iti yete pancha pratyayah sarvanamastana sanya prapnuvanti. We know that these 5 pratyas get the sanya sarvanamastana. She sarvanamastana vityanena napumsakalingat vidyamano jas tata shas pratyayo sarvanamastana sanyakau staha jas and shas, they get the sanya sarvanamastana. Etan vihaya, accepting this, living out this. चतुर्थाध्याये पंचमाध्याये वा पाठितः अन्यः कोऽपि प्रत्ययः अग्रे अस्ति चेत् प्रकृतेः प्रातिपदिकस्य पदसंज्ञा भवति. Other than this सर्वनामस्थान प्रत्यय, if this follow the प्रकृति प्रातिपदिकं, then प्रकृति get संज्ञा पदम्. कानिचन उदाहरणानि एतादृशानि, some examples are given. यथा राम plus भ्याम, भ्याम is सुवादिषु. Therefore, Rama iti atra Rama shabdasya pada sanya bhavati. Therefore, Rama gets pada sanya. Because it is pada sanya, therefore, if any pada karya can be done on that, it can be done. That is why pada sanya. Yataha atra upastitaha bhyam pratyah chaturtadhyaye patitaha asti sarvanamasthana sanyakaha cha nasti. It is read in the chaturtha adhyaya, 4th chapter, and it is not sarvanamasthana. So therefore, prakriti gets sanya padam. Rama plus su ityatra Rama shabdasya padasanya na bhavati. Why? Because yataha su pratyah atra sarvanamasthana sanyakaha asti. Rama plus su, Rama is not pada. Why? Su is sarvanamasthana. Therefore, similarly, pala plus su, pala is napumsakalinga. Pala iti shabdasya padasanya bhavati. Napumsakalinga. Because napumsakalinga only 1, 3 and 2, 3. Sarvanamasthana. Therefore, su will be asarvanamasthana. Yataha su pratyah atra sarvanamasthana sanyakaha nasti. Therefore, pala gets the sanya padam. Napumsakat parasya kevalam just shas pratyaho eva sarvanamasthana sanya bhavati. So you know that 1, 3 and 2, 3 alone get the sanya sarvanamasthana. The next one, satya plus nich ityatra satya shabdasya padasanya nasti. Satya shabda cannot take the padasanya. Why? Because yataha nich pratyaha chaturtadhyaye panchamadhyaye va patitaha nasti. Nich is what pratyaya it is? Ardha-dhatuka pratyaya. Ardha-dhatuka pratyaya are added to dhatus. And the pratyayas added to dhatus are dealt in the chapter 3 only, third chapter, in all the 4 sections. So therefore, Satya cannot have the status of Padam. Because we are talking about the pratyas which are the 4th and 5th chapter, and that too Asarvanamastana pratyaya, and which is Ardha-dhatuka pratyaya. Therefore, Satya cannot get the status of being a Padam. Tritiya-dhyaye Satya-pasha one sutra is there, ityatra patitaha asti. The Satya is read in the 3rd chapter. One sutra is there where it says Satya, then I think Apa, Pasha, this will get the pratyaya niche. So, therefore, Satya cannot enjoy the status of Padam. Then Nyatavyam. Vartamana Sutrena Yakaradau Ajadau Pratyapare Padasanyayam Praptayam Ichibham Iti Anena Tasyaha Nishedam Krutva Bhasanya Bhavati. We are going to see that the next one. So there is an exception to this sutra. That is, if the pratyaya Asarvanamasana Suadi pratyaya, if it is Yakaradi, begins with Yakara or Ajadi, Ach, then it will get the sanya bha. If it gets it's supposed to get parasanya, negating that it will get basanya. Yata Rama plus os etadrishu etadrisheshu staleshu Rama shabdasya padasanya na bhavati, because it is followed by ach pratyaya. Therefore, it gets a sanya bhasanya, ichibham. Okay. अस्मिन् सूत्रे अङ्गम् इति न अनुवर्तते इत्युक्ते पदसंज्ञायाः विधानम् अङ्गसंज्ञासम्बन्धी नास्ति. यदि तादृशम् अभविष्यत् तर्हि पदसंज्ञायाः उपस्थितौ एकसंज्ञाधिकारात् अङ्गायाः बाधः अभविष्यत्. This we will see. We need to know what anga is. Anga is also defined in this section only, but it is not required now. When we see anga adhikar, that time we will see. Where is anga? You can see 1:4:13. Yasmat pratyaya vidhi tadadi pratyaya angam. Angam is also a sanya. It's a technical word. Anga doesn't mean the limbs are the parts. It can mean parts, but here it is technical. Yasmat pratyaya vidhi tadadi pratyaya angam. So that we will see. In the context of that, we will see that sutra. Okay. Now it's not required. So now Suadishu Asarvanamastane Padam is done. Then we have to see the next one is exception, apavada to this Padasanya, which is Echibham. Echibham we will see 1:4:18. Echi is Yakara plus Ach. Ech. Saptami is Echi. So in the Echi, Ach is there and Yakara also is there. Saptami Vibhakti means it follows. Ekaradau, Ajadau, Pratyaye, Paraye. Could be Pratar, anything. Okay. It could be, Yakaradi, Ajadi, Pratyaya follows. It should be Yakaradi, Ajadi, Pratyaya, it should be Pratyaya only. The Prakriti could be anything. Pratipadika. Then, when this Yakaradi, Ajadi, Pratyaya, and that must be Asarvanamastana Pratyaya follows. Asarvanamastana comes as Anuvritti. So, Suadishu Asarvanamastane Yakaradi Ajadau Pratyaye Pare Prakrutehe, that is Pratipadikasya, Kim Bhavati, Kim Sanya Bhavati, Bhasanya Bhavati. That is what the sutra is. Asarvanamas Sanyakaha Suadihi Yakaradi Ajadihi Va Pratyaha Yasmad Vidiyate comes the Pratyaya which is ordained to that. The Pratyaya which begins with Yakara and Ach, ordained to that will get Bhasanya. When these Pratyayas are Asarvanamastana, it could be any Pratyaya, it should be Asarvanamastana. And the Pratyaya should be read in the 4th and 5th chapter. चतुर्थाध्यायस्य प्रथमपादे सु औजस् अस्मिन् सूत्रे सु प्रत्ययः दत्तः अस्ति। अस्मादारभ्य प्रत्यधिकारस्य समाप्तिपर्यन्तं ये केऽपि प्रत्ययाः पाठिताः सन्ति तेषां सर्वेषां विवरणम् अस्मिन् सूत्रे सु आदि इति अनेन कृतमस्ति। The same thing we have read already in the previous sutra. एतेषु ये प्रत्ययाः सर्वनामस्थानसंज्ञकाः सन्ति तान् विहाय अन्येषु यकारादिषु अजादिषु प्रत्ययेषु वा परेषु प्रकृतेः वर्तमानसूत्रेण प्रकृतेः means by the प्रातिपदिकं by this sutra gets संज्ञा भासंज्ञा. Example, राम प्लस शस् इति अत्र रामशब्दस्य भासंज्ञा भवति। यतः अत्र उपस्थितः शस् प्रत्ययः चतुर्थाध्याये पाठितः नंबर 1 read in the चतुर्थ fourth chapter and sarvanamasthana nasti number 2 which is not sarvanamasthana sangya and also it is number 3 is ajadi pratyaya. Three conditions. It should be in the fourth chapter, it should be asarvanamasthana pratyaya, it should be ajadi. Then prakriti, that pratipadikam will get to sangya bha. Okay. Similarly, phala plus shas iti atra phala shabdasya bha sangya na bhavati. Why? Because atra upasthita shas pratyaya sarvanamasthana sangyakah asti, it is sarvanamasthana sangya. So therefore phala is not bha sangya. Phala plus au iti atra phala shabdasya bha sangya bhavati. Yes. Why? Yatra upasthita au pratyaya, it is read in the fourth chapter, it is not sarvanamasthana and it is ajadi. Therefore it gets a sangya. Pratipadikam gets a sangya padam. Similarly, Rama plus Bhyam. Iti atra Rama shabdasya padasangya na bhavati. Why? Because Bhyam is asarvanamasthana pratyaya. It is asarvanamasthana pratyaya, number 1. And it is read in the fourth chapter, yes. But it doesn't begin with yakara or ajadi. Therefore, it will not get a basangya. It will get the utsarga sangya, which is padam. Garga plus yanj iti garga shabdasya bhasangya bhavati. Garga shabda get bhasangya. Why? Because yanj pratyaya beginning with yakaradi, which is read in the fourth chapter. Okay, you get gargya. Actually, I think shain pratyaya, shakara also is at the beginning, I think, which is iterator, goes away. So this is a yakaradi pratyaya. So therefore, it is yakaradi pratyaya and it is read in the fourth chapter and it is not sarvanamasthana sangya. Therefore, garga will get the sangya bhasangya. Okay. Rama plus kech. Rama plus kech, it is kech pratyaya is pratyaya added to dhatus. Therefore, it is read in the third chapter. Therefore, it is not in the fourth and fifth chapter. Therefore, it will not get the bhasangya. Simple. Kech pratyaya is one of the kritya pratyas. It's one of the kritya pratyas, like the tavya, aniyar, yat, nyat. Similarly, kech and pratyaya is that. Okay, this is what bha is. Nyatavyam. Su adishu asarvanamastana iti anena sarvanamastana bhinna pratyaya pare prakrutehe padasangya bhavati. Other than sarvanamastana pratyaya follows, then prakriti gets sangya padam. Ekarado ajado va pratyaya pare api anena sutrena padasangyayaam praptayaam vartamana sutrena bhasanyayaga nirdesham krutva padasangyayaga nishedha bhavati. Ekaradi pratyaya ajadi pratyaya follows. And also padasangya supposed to get, but by this sutra it gets a bhasangya and negates the padasangya. Therefore this is apavada. Eka sangya adhikara. That is only one sangya a shabda can enjoy. A word or letter can enjoy only one sangya. It cannot have more than one sangya. So therefore eka sangyadi kalasya karanat कस्यापि शब्दस्य एकस्मिन् एव समये पदसंज्ञा भाससंज्ञा द्वे अपि न भवतः simultaneously. At the same time, you cannot enjoy two sanya. That is called akadarat eka sanya. Only one sanya you can enjoy at given time. Therefore, it can either be a padam or it could be a bhasanya, not both. That's why bhasanya is apavada to parasanya. Bhasanyayaha vidanam angasanyayaha sandarbhena na kriyate. अस्मिन् सूत्रे अंगस्य इति नैव अनुवर्तते यदि एतादृशं भविष्यत् अभविष्यत् तर्हि एकसंज्ञाधिकारात् वा संज्ञाङ्गायाः बाधः अभविष्यत्. This we will see. We need to see what is anga. Then this will become clear. Okay. Any doubt in this? Yes.
No.
So this is Ichibam. The three sutras you can remember. Suptingantam padam, Swadishu Astarvanavastane padam, and Ichibam. Okay. So 41. Our number is 41. The next one is Tulyasya Prayatnam Samam. Already we have seen this, right? Tulyasya Prayatnam Savarnam. So we are not going to see this again. We have already seen this sutra. Savarna Sangha. We have seen it elaborately, right? Remember?
Yes. Yeah.
What is Asya?
See.
Mukam.
What is Asya? Asya means a place of pronunciation. Ucharana sthana. That is called Asya.
I said Mukam, okay.
Hmm?
I said Mukam, okay, sorry.
Not Mukha. Asya is Ucharana sthana. Tulya is
Okay.
similar, sama. Prayatanam is,
Effort.
what is the different?
Abhyantara.
Yeah.
Prayatanam is Abhyantara Prayatanam here. Why? Because Prayatanam has got two types, Abhyantara and Bhagya Prayatanam. So here Prayatanam means Antara Prayatanam, not Bhagya Prayatanam. Antara Prayatanam, we have 5 categories, right? Prishta, Ishat Prishta, Vivruta, Ishat Vivruta, Samvata, all those things we have seen very detailed. It's only Bhagya Prayatanam. Bhagya Prayatanam has got Samvara, Vigara, Nara, Dosha, Akosha, Shwasa, Alpaprana, Mahaprana, Udata, Anudata, Swarita, 11 types are there. So here the word Prayatanam refers to Abhyantara Prayatanam. That is Savarna Sanya. Then not Jalau, that is Ach and Hal cannot be Savarna.
In the original list is Taparas Tatkalasya.
You can change that. It will have modified this. Then the next one is that is the last sutra. Why it is given? Because the vowel A is Samrutam. But it is for the Vyakaranam, it is considered to be Vivrutam. Otherwise, Sandhikarya will not happen. And finally, it is given back its status. That is why it is the last sutra, at the end of the Tripadi. Then, Anudit Savarnasya cha Apratyahar. What is that sutra? Anudit Savarnasya cha Apratyahar. What is the sutra says? It's a Grahaka sutra. What does it say?
The Savarnam has to be taken
Okay.
other than the
Adesha.
Adesha.
Other than Adesha. So, an means it's a longer and
Long
is
pratyaya. Pratyahara.
Pratyahara. Udit means Ukaraha it yasya saha ku chu tu tu pu. It's called Udit. So it will bring it Savarna Grahakatvam Bhavati. That's why it is Grahaka Sutra. This also we have seen the sutra in detail, in fact. lot of information we saw. Then next one is taparaha tatkalasya. It means
At takara limits the savarna. On.
takaraha paraha yasmat bhavati. That is taparaha tat kalasya eva kalasya tat kalasya eva sochitam bhavati. That kala only, that particular kala cannot bring its other savarna. Okay, that is why it is given next to that. When you say at, it is only a only. Only tat kalasya eva bhavati. Tat kalasya eva gragakam bhavati. It cannot bring its savarna. That is called tapara tat kalasya. Shashti sthana yoga, we saw that. That is called someone. This is called the sthana shashti. Change happens to that which is in shashti vakti.
Ashti.
We saw this elaborately. This also we saw the vritti, and I gave the other vritti also, pratama vritti. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask on all the sutras. Then the next one. Tasminiti nirdrishte purvasya. So, tasminiti nirdrishte purvasya tasmaditittarasya. These two sutras helps to identify the sthani. The sthani is located immediately before that which is in saptami bhakti. That is what is tasminiti nirdrishte purvasya. Then tasmaditittarasya is sthani follows immediately. That is what it is. Sthani follows immediately. Then Uran Raparaha. What is Uran Raparaha?
Very conscious.
Will be Adesh. Repa will always happen, I guess.
Repa?
Rikara.
The sutra is Uhu and Raparaha. Uhu. What is
Yeah.
Uhu? I'm asking only what is Uhu? Uhu and Raparaha. What is Uhu?
The Shashti of Ru.
Very good. So it means Rikara is talked about. So then what? Kimbhavati Rikaraha. Then?
Rikara is
Followed by Repa.
Not followed by Repa. Why followed by Repa? Rikara, when it is replaced by An. Whenever Rikara is replaced by An letter, An is short An.
Short An.
Only in Anuditsavanasya, An is longer one. Otherwise, everywhere it is short An only. So, if Rikara is replaced by An, that is Ayu, then Repa will be added to the Adesha.
Okay.
Repa will be Raha Paraha Bhavati. Okay. That is why Gunasandhi, when we say Ru plus A, both will be replaced by A. And Rikara also is replaced, since Rikara is replaced by A is the unletter. Therefore, Repa is appended to the Adesha. Therefore, it is Ar. If it is Vriddhi, then R. Understand?
Okay.
Okay. Then Stanen Taratamaha, important. This also we saw. In fact, a lot of information on this I gave. Stanen Taratamaha. What does that mean? We saw 4
When multiple
Taratamaha.
Adeshas,
Huh?
when multiple Adeshas are possible,
Yes.
then I think
Similar
Sthani and Abhyantara.
in the place of Sthani, similar
The closest
Adeshah Bhavit.
Antaratamaha, the closest resemblance or closest possible Adesha only will come. That for that we have order. That is the replacement by, first thing is Uchcharana Sthana Dwara. Uchcharana Sthana, we first you have to see. If it doesn't match, only we have to go for Artha Sadrishyam,
Sadrish.
Guna Sadrishyam, then Guna Sadrishyam and Kala Sadrishyam and all. Okay.
Brahma.
So this and Yatha Sankhya Manudesha Samana can remember these two together. Together means these two possibilities are there. When the multiple adeshas are there, replaces a sthani. Yatha Sankhya comes when the number of sthani and number of adeshas are equal. When that is not equal, then you cannot apply that. You have to come here only. Sthanentara tamaha. Understand? Next one. Parasannikarsha Samhita. From here only Samhita Adhikara starts. Samhita is Sandhi.
Sandhi.
Samhitayam Adhikara Sutra. So the sutras which are read in this Adhikara, Samhitayam, they all come under the Samhita. These are the topics of Samhita. Samhita Vishaya. Samhitaya means Samhitaya. Samhitayam Vishaye. So Sandhi are covered from 16172 up to some number 61, maybe 158 or something. So those sutras deal with Samhita. Samhita is also there in Tripadi. You will see that 8 to last sutra, and then it goes Anuvritti up to 8-4 some sutra. So Samhita Adhikara. Samhitayam is there Adhikara, therefore we should know what Samhita is, and Samhita is Parasannikarsha Samhita. Then we saw Iko-Yanachi. We saw Iko-Yanachi? Yes.
Yes, Ji.
Echo Ayavayavaha? Yes.
Yes.
All the sutras in terms of Utsarga Apavada we saw. Okay. Iko-Yanachi, Echaha Ayavayavaha. You can write these sutras in this order. Then Ekaha Purva Paryoho, another Adhikara Sutra, 6184. Within the Samhitayam Adhikara, because Ekaha Purva Paryoho, when you say Purva and Para are going to be this Thani. Therefore, Purva Para and going to be Thani, therefore, sutras which are read in this, for them Thani will be Purva and Para. Next sutra is Enga Padantat Ati. You know, Purva Parayoga Sthane. If the Purva is Padanta Yeng, followed by short vowel, followed by a Padam dealing with short vowel, then Purva Parayoga Sthane. Kim Bhavati? Enga Padantat Pararupam Bhavati. Pararupa, it's called Pararupa Sandhi, right?
Yes.
Then Akastavane Dirgaha. That also Purva Parayoga Sthane. Purva and Para will be replaced by corresponding Dirga Ak. This Akastavane Dirga is Apavada to Iko-Yanachi. Similarly, Enga Padanta Dati is Apavada to Echaha Ayavayavaha. Understand the connection between the two. Then the next one is Vriddhi Radhish, Vriddhi Sandhi. If the Purva Varna is Avarna, followed by the H letter, then Vriddhi Radhish. If it is instead of H, it is Ak letter, then it is Guna, then it is Guna. Okay, so Vriddhi Radhish, sorry, Vriddhi Radhish is Sanya Sutra, because we are going to see Vriddhi Sutra, Vriddhi Rechi. For that, Vriddhi Radhish is Sanya is important. Vriddhi Radhish, Adhen Gunaha, both are Sanya Sutra. So therefore, Ad Gunaha and Vriddhi Rechi, those are the two sutras which comes next. So Ad Gunaha, from that, Ad comes as Anuvritti. Okay, Ad means Avarna. Avarna followed by Ak will be Guna. Avarna followed by H will be Vriddhi. If Avarna followed by Ak, okay, in fact, it is Avarna followed by the Ad Gunaha is there. You get Achi as Anuvritti from Iko-Yanachi. So Avarna followed by Ach. Avarna followed by Ach means all the possibilities are there. Avarna followed by Ach. Avarna can be followed by a. Avarna can be followed by other than a, all the other ach. Avarna, it includes h also. If Avarna followed by h, then it is apavada, vriddhi sandhi. If Avarna followed by a, that is a plus a or a plus a, then what will happen? Savarna dirgha sandhi. So Savarna dirgha is apavada to this. You have to understand like that. So what is left out? Leaving the Avarna and H, only ik. That is why in the Sandhi chart, I would have given ik, Avarna followed by ik. Understand?
Yes, Jay.
So Vriddhi is apavada to guna. Vriddhi, rechi, here Vidhi, Echi is a, therefore no problem. Even though Achi comes Sanurti, Echi is Saptami, therefore that we will take H follows. H follows, Vriddhi will happen. Then Engi Pararupam. Engi Pararupam is what? If Eng letter follows, if Eng letter follows what? Follows Avarna.
Avarna.
Okay. Then what happens? A plus A or A plus O. Generally what happens? A plus A is Vriddhi.
Vriddhi
A
comes.
plus O is Avriddhi. But Engi Pararupam says Pararupa will be the Adesha. Therefore it is Apavada to Vriddhi Sandhi. This is also Visa, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes,
In all the Vartikas Visa, Shakandva Dishu Kana Otposhta Yogo Samase Vaiti Vartikas also Visa. Right? Then Omangoscha is also Visa, Omangoscha. All these things you have to recollect. So what is the last Vidhi Sutra Visa? Now we are
No, we
entering
didn't
Vidhi.
see it. No, I think we didn't see.
Omangoschi,
We didn't see this Omang. Even the Akkasavarna Dirgha we didn't see.
Akasavani Dirgha already gone, right? You have
No, I
not
think
seen that?
in my notes, the last is Enga Padanta Datti. I think we saw.
Up to that.
No, sorry, the 6183 Baya Pravayocha Chandasi.
All those sutras we have seen. Those things are extra, which are not covered here. Doesn't matter. Those sutras we have seen. Those are extra sutras. You can write in your
Yeah, we have seen
list.
Vakaha Savarni Dirgaha.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes,
many,
yes.
many things we have seen. Yes. Kraya,
Yes.
Kshayarte and all we saw. And other sutras also we saw, in fact.
Okay.
That is Dhatu Nimitta. Vanto I Pratyaya also I taught you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can have that as a separate list, because since you have got the background, already I taught you know these learned, and then that's why those sutras also, related sutra also I covered. Okay, you can have that list also. It's good. Yes. And you can send me that. Okay, let me add that. Or yeah, that we will have as a sutra suchi for our class. Okay. So in that list, what is the last sutra in we saw?
I think the 6183 Baya Pravayecha Chandasi, if I'm right.
Is it the one? 61?
87. Sorry, 6180. What is it?
80, 81, 82. We have seen.
83.
83 also. Yes.
83, yeah.
Okay. So does it mean Akasavana Dirgandal we have not seen?
I have written a scene.
Oh. We have seen 6184, 87, Vriddhirechi is in Engi Pararupam, then Edat Yutsu, Eng Padanta Datti. Yeah, that's the last one. So I don't have the Akasavarna.
Even I don't have Akasavarna.
Okay. So Akasavana Dirga we will see then. Okay, you can send me the list of the sutras, whatever we have seen. I'll modify this sutra suchi in with what you have, what we have seen extra. We can say extra because we know more, therefore we can see other related sutras also. Eti Edati Utsanal we have seen, right? So
Yes,
Akasavani Dirgaha we will see. Now Akasavani Dirgaha, you know the place of Akasavani Dirgaha, where it is in the Sutra Suchi. Accordingly, I'll modify that. After Yanga Padandadati, Akastvani Dirgaha will come. And Ad Gunaha Vriddhire channel we have seen, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes.
Okay. Akastvani Dirgaha can be included and be added before. Because it is Ekaha Purva Parayogo and it is Apavada Tiko and Achi and
Yeah.
it is therefore it is can be done. It can be added before. Then Vriddhiradich Adin Gunaha Ad Gunaha. Okay. Please send me the list.
Yes, ji.
Okay.
Then after Akasavani Dirgaha, what is that? I mean, okay, I will show this list. You can see this list. Engi Pararupam we have seen. Omangoscha we will see. Atogune, not seen.
No.
No.
Eti Editi Utsu, we have seen.
Yes.
Yeah, we have
Yes.
seen that.
Okay, just now it comes later anyway. Atascha,
No.
No, Ji.
from Atascha, I think Akasavani Dirgaha, then Omangoscha, Atogune, Atascha, Upasargadati, all these things we have to see. They will see that, right? You send me the list. Sutra Suchi, I'll modify.
And we have also seen alone tasya.
Huh?
Alone tasya is also seen.
Alone Tesya. Paribhasha.
Yes, that is seen.
Alone Tesya I would have mentioned, but we have to see the sutra. We will see a Paribhasha separately. Alone Tesya, Adehe Parasya, and all we need to see, we have to see it. There's some 3 or 4 sutras are there together. We will see that. The Paribhasha separately. Okay. So we can stop here. Please send me the list. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavada. Please go through the sutras, then only you will remember. Sutra, sutra number, adhikara, nurti, all these things. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Ji.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyawada.